Hey there, home cooks! Ready to make a roast beef that'll blow everyone's socks off? Today I'm showing you how to make the perfect roast beef with caramelized onion gravy. This recipe is a game changer, trust me. First up, let's talk ingredients. You'll need a head of garlic, about 12 cloves cut in half, 5 thyme sprigs, leaves picked plus 1 extra, a hefty 1.8 kilograms beef sirloin, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 large onions, 150 grams of plain flour, 500 milliliters of red wine, and 1.5 liters of hot beef stock. All right, let's get this beast marinated. Rub the garlic halves and thyme leaves all over that beef. Place the joint in a large dish, drizzle over the olive oil, then rub it into the meat all over. Cover it up and pop it in the fridge to marinate for 1-2 days. If you're pressed for time, marinating isn't essential, but it does make it super tasty. Oh, and don't forget to take the beef out of the fridge about an hour before cooking to let it come up to room temperature. Preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius. That's 170 degrees Celsius if you're using a fan or gas 5. Now heat up a dry frying pan until it's super hot and sear the beef over high heat until it's beautifully colored on all sides. Transfer the beef to a large hob-proof roasting tray, along with those garlic halves and the extra thyme sprig. Roast for about 45 minutes for medium rare, adjusting the time if you prefer your beef more cooked. Use a meat thermometer, if you've got one, 45 to 47 degrees Celsius for medium rare, 55 to 60 degrees Celsius for medium, and 65 to 70 degrees Celsius for well done. Once it's cooked, transfer the beef to a warm platter, cover it loosely with foil, and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. This is crucial for juicy, tender meat. While the beef is resting, let's make that gravy. Place the roasting tray over a low heat on the hob, add the onions to the juices, and cook gently for about 20 minutes until they're super soft and caramelized. Stir in the flour until combined, then whisk in the red wine. Bring it to a boil, whisking to avoid lumps, then reduce the wine by half. Stir in the hot beef stock and cook for another 8 minutes until you've got a thick, gorgeous gravy. Carve the beef thinly, pour the gravy into a warm jug, and serve it all up with some Yorkshire puddings and steamed chard. There you have it, folks. Perfect roast beef with caramelized onion gravy. Happy cooking and bon appetit.